What's going on, everybody? So, happy Monday, and big congratulations to all those Eagles fans out there on the Super Bowl last night. That was a really good win, and I'm a Patriots fan, so definitely upset about the loss, but the better team clearly won last night. But I just wanted to talk about the current state of the cryptocurrency market right now and kind of just comfort you guys and reassure everyone that might be invested and is down a lot of money right now. Bitcoin is down below $7,000. I think the last time I saw Bitcoin at this price was around November. So this is a really crazy correction we're going through right now. The whole crypto market has gone down from around $800 billion to 322. It went down a little bit lower than that actually. So we're experiencing more than a 50% correction, which is, in my eyes, good in a way. Obviously, it's hard to watch your altcoins and your Bitcoin, go down this far in price, but this is demonstrating healthy market activity. I mean, things cannot go up forever, and they need to correct themselves sometimes. So anything that you do have, obviously, if you think that something's going to go down to zero and just completely fail, sell it, try and cover your losses as best you can. But as you can see over the last 3 months here, we have seen a steady downward trend from January 7th all the way till today, and it seems to be going down even farther. Where it will stop, I don't know. I think there's a lot of manipulation going on right now and a lot of fear in the market. People are seeing everything go down and they're just getting scared. And that's really the last thing you want to do, because you don't really take a loss unless you sell. As we've seen in the past, the market has corrected itself many times, but it usually always comes up pretty substantially. Right here, went up to 628 billion, went down to 500, and then pretty much went on a straight bull run all the way to our highest point of, in the mid 800s, which is quite remarkable. It's understandable that we've seen a big downtrend from that point on, but I would just look at now as a good time to buy and not worry about the losses you're suffering right now, because the market is going to rebound. I highly doubt that the crypto market is just going to fail. There's some manipulation going on with the whales out there and probably large scale investors and whatnot, but coins like Litecoin, Cardano, everything pretty much in the top 15, Populous, Icon, Nano, which used to be called Rayblocks, these are all a steal right now. Steam, Siacoin, I mean, even Verge. I'm not particularly a big fan of Verge, but I think that that's going to skyrocket back up when this market gets picking up again. I would just be looking to buy some of these coins and just hold on for dear life. They could go down farther. Like I said, I don't really know what the bottom may be, but I can't really imagine the market going down, much farther than 300 billion. As we can see here, it broke a little bit of support here at 400,000. That's where we initially thought it was going to stop, or at least most people thought it was going to stop and kind of bottom out, but it broke that. And who knows? We could go down to 300, maybe even lower. But if you look at the overall trend line here, I wish we could look at a more in-depth chart here other than the coin market cap chart. But if you look at this general trend line here, I would say that we could come down to right here, which is around 260 or so. See that trend line going steadily up. So I would just try and grab the coins that have a promising future, like Salt, Ethos, obviously Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin, if anything, Bitcoin is going to be a great buy. We know that Bitcoin has a great near future ahead. New investors are going to be coming in very soon, and they're going to see that, wow, Bitcoin used to be 16,000 or whatever, almost $20,000 in valuation, and here it is, almost 1/3 of the price. This is going to have some big, large-scale investors putting a lot of money into the crypto market soon, and a lot of new investors signing up for Coinbase. They're going to be buying Litecoin, Ethereum, all that Coinbase has to offer. And Bitcoin is definitely going to be on the rise soon. I can assure you that. But as you can see here, Bitcoin dominance is kind of seems to hit a bottom here. And if we look at the 3-month market capitalization chart here, as you can see, we're kind of just like finding some support here and almost taking off a little bit. See a little bit of an upward trend early February right here. It's starting to take off here. I would say we're pretty close to a bottom here with Bitcoin, and that we're going to be seeing some crazy gains, maybe to hit new highs with the crypto market, or at least get back up to our previous high of 800 billion.